Actually, everyone wants to support. Okay, no
I
problem.
respect everybody. I respect everybody whosoever has joined me. I would like to take name again: Alex, Saurav, Utkal, Prashant, Shankar, and Sam. So you are six guys. Six guys need to decide where they are going to, whether they are going to oppose of feminism and they are supporting feminism. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
So shall we decide, sir?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I support feminism.
I need to also.
Prashant support feminism and who else?
Me, Saurabh.
Okay.
Saurav.
Yeah,
Okay.
I will
Prashant and
agree with
Saurav
you.
are in support of feminism.
Yes.
I also supporting feminism.
Fine.
That's
Then we
fine
have
also.
decided three guys are in support. Alex, Prashant, and Saurav support of feminism, and the
I'm
rest
in
three guys.
support of feminism.
Uh-huh.
I'm in the not favor of support the feminism in India.
Okay. Then you are from the different side. You are in opposition. Don't worry. You are.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, I would like to repeat once again.
Yeah.
Alex, Saurav, and Prashant are in favor of feminism, and on the other hand, rest people, Shankar, Sam, and Utkal are opposed of it. Okay, they are not agree with the feminism.
Okay.
So now, okay, define feminism. Who is gonna define feminism? Feminism for me?
Me.
Oh, me, huh?
Time.
It's me too.
Okay, fine. One by one, huh? One by one.
Okay, it's my turn.
Who's?
Okay, we can say the feminism is a set of movements. Excuse me.
Yes, go ahead, Saurav.
It is a simple definition of feminism, according to me. As far as I know, I have read in my books. Feminism is a set of movements which have been taken in favor of to give the right to the women.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Then, Alex, confirm me more.
Hello.
Yes, Alex.
Hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
Excuse me, Sam speaking.
Sam.
Yes, sir. I just want to say that whoever is speaking, please call out his name first, because it is very unclear that who is speaking.
Okay. Because of you are not.
Can I explain?
Yes, you can explain, but allow me to talk with Sam. Sam, the question you asked me, you are not able to recognize the person because of we are 6 on the same call. Actually, total in count we are 7 on the call. That's why few people will not be. Yeah, including me, 7 people. So this is the reason that you are not getting few of them.
So, sir, it is so whoever is speaking, he can call out his name first before speaking. Then he can say whatever.
Yes, this is a perfect manner to speak in debate. In conference call, right, Raghav sir?
No, this is debate. Everybody is allowed to do that. I don't have any rule for debate. No rule for debate. Rules are especially meant for discussion.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let all the people define the feminism in India.
Yes, of course. One different definition, then you can disagree and agree with the point. Go ahead, man.
Okay, sir. Let me start define the feminism. Actually, feminism. What is feminism? Feminism in India is the second most theoretical, and it is about methodological issue that represents the most of the women of country. And the most process of feminism is narrating to promote it at the fact. So this is what I know about the feminism.
Okay. Then Prashant wanted to say something. Prashant?
Yes, I want to explain as far as my point of view. Yeah, feminism is a system in which we are providing the economical and political right to the women as equal to the men, in which ladies and dominate a whole family, and in the society they are getting equal right as the men are getting.
and they can involve in many activity in the society, like any defense department and even government offices, and they can participate in the teaching, and they can do many work in the society.
You mean to say that like dominating male is called feminism, right?
No, dominating they are dominating in the family, but they are getting an equal right as the men.
So why do you use domination, dominating word? Shankar,
Yes.
you are not agree with the point, right? Go ahead and counter this. He said dominating man. So the counter has begun. Enough. We got the discussion. Definition. Go ahead with the counters. Everybody, if someone has great points, add that.
Actually, simple definition of feminism.
Well, let me see.
Okay.
I'm Manishan. So, we have misunderstood the word of feminism. Utkal, I'm not getting your voice properly. Can you speak slowly and loudly? Now you can hear
Actually,
me.
I am not speaking only.
Now everyone can hear me.
Okay, Shankar, go ahead and oppose it. Oppose Prasant.
Actually, first I want to say what is feminism. Feminism means men and women have same rights and same opportunity in our
Is it?
society everywhere. Correct. Means still women have no equal rights. Still women's behind the men. Yeah, this is the definition of feminism. Okay, so Raghav.
Yes.
So this is the definition. I think all guys completed.
Definition
now-
has been completed. Now begin the debate, man. That's why I said it's you.
Okay. So actually, I am opposite. I am opposite. Okay. I'm not supporting feminism. Okay. So Prashant, how many guys oppose?
Prashant, Alex, and Saurav are
And so,
support of feminism.
Okay.
Sam, Shankar, and Utkal are opposed.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. So
Okay, let me
if I-
give you 1 point. Let me give you 1 point
Okay.
if you are struggling. Sam, are you listening me?
Voice is not clear.
Utkal, you need to come to the network place. Everybody is listening me properly. This is you who is having a problem to listen me. Don't worry. Come to the network place. Okay, Sam, I have question for you. Do you listen me? Sam? Oh, is anybody able to hear Sam?
No.
No.
I think his
hello.
mic is mute.
Okay, no problem. So my question is, Prashant just spoke, right? Prashant, you spoke that feminism is something that giving equal right to men and women.
Yes.
I disagree.
No, only for,
it means I means feminism is a system in which women and ladies are getting the same right as men having.
Well, why are you waiting for me? Go ahead and do that debate, man.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Continue, Prashant. Continue.
yes, in India, some states are mostly dominated by the women and lady of the family, like eastern regions like West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, and Tripura, in which ladies are playing a vital role in the managing the society. Ladies are head of the family. Yeah, the power of the right of property transfer from one lady to their daughters. In the North India, mostly family is dominated by men. So that is in that state there is a patriarchal society prevail. But in the Eastern India, there is matriarchal society prevail.
Okay. So, but now I think all people is educated, and now girls and women getting same opportunity everywhere. Okay, including job places and society also.
Yes.
Correct. And
This is the one thing that I have already told.
Okay.
Hey Sam, I'm unable to add exactly as I have already added 5 people. So you need to dial, any one of them. You need to dial who?
I'm trying to contact Alex, but he's not picking up the call.
Fine, then contact another guy. Contact Shankar.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Go ahead. So thank you so much for joining me again, guys. You are 6 people, including me 7, but I always exclude myself because I don't participate. Is it?
Okay.
Anyways,
Okay.
Alex. Alex. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, Alex. Sam.
Okay.
Sam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Alex. Sam. Shankar. Prashant.
Yes.
And Saurav and Utkal.
Yes, sir.
All right, gentlemen. So, shall we begin? Utkal, Prashant, and Saurav are in favor of the feminism. On the other hand, Sam, Shankar, and Alex are not.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see. So let's begin. I want
Okay.
to tell about the feminism. I have not started yet. So I want to tell the thing this is going on in day-to-day life about the feminism in India. The more education I have, the more education the women are earning, they're getting the more education. They are not conservation on the feminism. Actually, the problem is that where the unprivileged woman is there, because of them, there's nothing more fact about regarding the feminism. Are you getting, guys?
Yes.
So
Yes.
yes,
I'm getting you.
So if you have any doubt, then please just interrupt me and ask me. Okay, so let me tell you guys. The
First of all,
feminism-
let me tell you one thing, Utkal.
yes,
Please
yes.
try to speak slowly.
Okay.
Your speed of speaking is very fast.
Okay. You should listen to catch up my words. It's your
Okay.
opinion. I will try my best to explain slowly.
Thank you.
The feminism actually is discouraged because most of the unmanufactured discrimination and the rape culture and the glass ceiling is there. So the people are focusing on the feminism and they're oriented because of the privileged women. Privileged and educated women are very traditionalist actually. In their modern mindset, they think they can do anything, whatever they want. But this is not rare to compare with the man. Like man is going to an astronaut in the space. Like women also want to go for that. Like this type of tendency the women have. So don't want to discriminate them, but I want to choose women. They are actually using the wrong way in the feminism part.
So,
Yes.
okay, I believe you people are not good getting it. Now, let me ask one question to you all.
Yes, sir.
Sam, for once, to Sam, because Sam is not being listened. Sam, why do you think feminism is important?
So feminism is important because we have to actually feminism was introduced to counter the partial norms and customs.
So, why it is important?
So actually we have misunderstood the concept of feminism. Feminism was to ensure the position of women in society, morally and economically and socially also. But we have misunderstood. Nowadays we can see feminism is taking it wrong direction. It's been feminism is suppressed. In the name of feminism, many women are suppressing men and violating their legal rights, which is wrong. So, clearly, feminism has been misunderstood. It is important to counter the part, but we can substitute with others.
Okay.
We have
Understood. Now I have question to Alex. Alex, one common question what is running in my mind. How do you relate feminism and woman empowerment? Are these same? Alex?
In current society, yeah, Raghav, I to you. In current society, I consider both are same. Both are need equal importance. Both have the same effect.
Okay,
Based on the
then
current
tell me
trend.
how. Okay, who's gonna tell me how? Saurav, tell me how feminism and these are same. How?
There is a difference between feminism and woman empowerment.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I have already given you a definition of feminism.
So
Feminism is
do
a-
let me. I don't understand at once. So
Yes.
give me another examples.
Yes.
Okay. Prashant will let you know. Prashant, do you understand what is different between feminism and woman empowerment and whether it is same or not?
I think there are slightly difference between both terms. Yeah, feminism equals to the women as for men, but in the women empowerment, it means you are promoting, want to provide more power to a women for their living status, and they can do more for their society, their family. Yeah. In women empowerment, we are providing more rights to the
So who's
women.
gonna tell me, are women empowerment and feminism same?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Sam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to tell
Yes,
you, sir. Like,
Okay, Utkal, go ahead, Utkal.
Yeah.
Utkal, yes.
okay, so let me tell you, gentlemen, like feminism is another thing, and not totally another thing. It's that differently for feminism. Actually, when women empower, what happened? We should protect the women. We should empower the woman. Like we should give it the power to do right things. And what happened in feminism? In feminism, that they are trying to be over smart. They can do whatever they want. This is the wrong advantage in feminism. That's not the difference. In simple way. And
Sir, I
telling
want to
gentlemen.
counter his statement.
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, actually, as I told everyone, that feminism word, we have misunderstood that. Feminism was just to counter the partial norms and customs which were earlier used in the society. And if we talk about the discrimination between women empowerment and feminism, they both are same concept, they were just with a different field. Feminism, if we say that he is a feminist, it means she believes in equality and she does not follow that partial norm.
Okay,
And
one more
what is
question I
women
have.
empowerment?
Okay, as you said, like beliefs on something, which means that if somebody is feminist, okay, does it have a relation with gender?
In case of feminism,
Yes, in case of feminism, who can be feminist? Shankar, okay, moving to the Shankar. Shankar, who can be
Yeah.
feminist? Can a man be feminist, or is it only a female-oriented stuff? Feminist.
No, feminism for, I think, for all. All people need equal rights. Okay,
Really?
correct. Yeah.
No,
If we
I
talking
think
about
it is
feminism,
only
if we
for,
talking about
women.
feminism,
But can I say something?
actually, everyone know means everyone think like that. Women have no equal rights. Okay, that's why people support.
I just want to say something about the feminist. Men can be feminist who is supporting the woman. I think so.
Yeah, maybe.
feminism can be a feminist.
I want to ask you a
women
question.
also.
Who has said that
Feminist
women
who believes in equal rights.
I want to ask you a question, gentlemen. Like any of us, one of us has said that a woman does not have the equality. Then what does the difference make in women empowerment?
Women empowerment is just a word to it means to encourage women in field where they lack. For example, political fields, the seats have been reserved for women. That's women
Raghav sir.
empowerment.
Yes.
Simply both are different.
I have no idea. My argument is right or wrong. But I just want to say something on the difference between feminism and women empowerment. I think women empowerment is also a part of a form of feminism. I think so.
So you mean to say that both are same,
no,
right?
No. Both are not same.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
Both
No,
are
no.
not same.
Both are
Women
definitely
empowerment providing more rights to the
Okay,
women.
fine. Who is saying they both are not same? Please explain.
Woman empowerment means woman got more control, more powerful as a means
Yes.
in family only men have much control. But if we talk about woman empowerment, so woman control women have more power to control the
Women,
things.
yes,
Okay.
women
What
can be the
feminism
leader.
means? Okay, fine.
Okay.
Then what feminism means?
Okay.
If women
What
empowerment
is the
means, then what feminism means?
what is meant by feminism?
Yeah, if women empowerment means this, that for giving more powers to women, then what does feminism mean according to you, brother?
Yes, somebody recently have told us about the women empowerment, and he has already given us an example. And I just want to say the same guy, what is meant by feminism?
Feminism means brother. Feminism means both are equal rights. Okay. Correct.
Yeah, men and women
Yeah.
have equal rights in the
But
society.
if you talk about woman empowerment means no one what I say means woman gets more power. What she wants to do. No one interrupt for any means what
That's
she do.
wrong. As I told everyone that we misunderstood the concept of feminism and women empowerment. They both were introduced to counter the partial norms like in which men have been declared superior than women. For that, these two terms were introduced to counter that, and they both are definitely similar. Feminism, please.
So according to you, both are same. Woman empowerment and feminism both meaning is same.
No, I
what-
think both are not same. Yeah.
Okay, guys,
First of all,
gentlemen,
who
please
is
tell me
the
the
feminism
feminism
who
of significance.
clear?
Can anybody tell me the feminism of significance? That what does it signify? Then let it be clear that what does feminism mean and what does women empowerment mean. Okay.
Sorry, can you repeat the question? I didn't heard you.
Actually, I am just
The voice
saying
is interrupting.
that. Okay. Now can you listen me, guys?
Yes.
Yes, I
Yeah,
listen.
Okay. So I was telling that can anybody explain me what does the signify of feminism? What is signify feminism? And we can
Again, your voice is starting
Voice
to
is
interrupt.
not.
Your voice is
Voice
breaking,
not
Yes.
Utkal.
Yes. I think you should go in the network area.
Or climb a tree if you can.
It is clear? It is clear? It is clear?
Yeah, it is clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can able to speak.
Because you were using your collar headphone.
So sorry for my inconvenience. Then let me tell you guys that I want to ask you what is the signify of feminism? What does it signify? And if you are able to understand that what does it signify feminism, we are able to understand what does women empowerment mean. Women empowerment means.
Yes. So first we should be clear.
Both are same, but just different names. Both are same. Women empowerment means what would the two mean? To empower women where they lack. In which fields they lack. First of all, after independence, women empowerment word was introduced in parliament, which means to give seats for reservation of seats in parliament for women. It means they were lacking in that particular field, so they were they have been so they were provided reserved seats so they can match the supremacy of men. And what does feminism mean? Feminism also means the same. I'm sorry. It is for empowering women only. Feminism. This needs to counter the partial because India is a partial state.
Partially
and
state.
patriarchal society. We live in a patriarchal society. Okay, to counter this patriarchal norms, the feminism and women empowerment was introduced. If a man says he is a feminist, it means he believes in equal rights.
Okay, Alex, have you listened
That's
him?
my point, brother.
Alex, have you listened him?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please speak louder and elaborate me because I couldn't understand Sam.
Yeah,
Sir, me
same
too,
problem.
sir, me too. I am not able to
Same
understand
problem
what he
from
is
it. I
saying.
am not understanding.
Yes.
Okay,
Me
sorry,
too, sir.
Sorry. Okay, ladies, sorry.
Please be louder. Please
So-
be louder.
No, now the time has
Okay.
come for Alex to elaborate me because here I will check Alex attentiveness and proactive listening. Right, Alex?
Okay.
Yes, elaborate
Yeah.
me what he spoke. What is the difference between feminism
Okay.
and women empowerment?
Okay. Sam that clearly said that before. The feminism is misspoken and misinterpreted in our society, and a lot of people think that feminism is a bad thing. Actually, what feminism is saying is gender equality. We need to give equal importance to the women also, because we were already on a patriarchal society. And why we need a women empowerment is because they are already neglected. They didn't have an equal rights. They didn't have recognition on the society, in the government, in all other sectors. So we need to empower them so we can implement the equality in here. So that is the women empowerment is a way to achieve the feminism. A woman can become a feminist, a man can become a feminist, irrespective of the gender. Whoever he stands for gender equality, who will be a feminist.
Okay, that is very true, sir. A good point he spoke out. Alex, he spoke a very good point. That women empowerment is a way to achieve feminism.
Okay,
now
if you guys have understood the fact, I have to ask one question. The question to Prashant, and you guys listen. Why I see always, a feminist woman is angry. Yeah, she always shouting on like.
Yes, sir, that's very true.
Yes.
Why?
So, Raghav, I want to tell you what is the difference between feminism and women empowerment.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. First, feminism means provide the equal right to ladies as a man's having, and in the women empowerment it means we are providing a reservation for women. In some situations, you can find many buses in which there are a reserved seat for women. It means we are right for women. They can only stay in the seated. Men cannot sit at buses seated until there is no woman in the bus. Yeah.
Wow.
You can. Yeah. In the state, this type of system is practiced in every state. You can find such a reservation system in Bangalore and some other Pune also.
Well, even Delhi Metro has some reserved seat for women and.
Special rights for women. Yeah, we are think it.
Well, I need to ask Saurav, are you agree with Prashant?
Yes.
So you agree? Okay. Who is disagree with Prashant, by the way? Nobody?
Actually, Raghav, I'm not getting properly Prashant also.
Okay, let me explain once again what Prashant said. Prashant said very simple and effective, effective way that woman empowerment is especially empowering the woman by giving them some, some special rights such as reservation in seat. Okay. How we are empowering our backward society, lower caste, backward class, while giving them reservation in jobs in some other sector. So at the same way, if we give, irrespective of caste, if we give the same reservation thing, special, 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 reservation to women only, so that will call woman empowerment. Seat reserves in bus, some sort of other things in offices as well. So that will call woman empowerment. At the same moment, feminism is what? Giving women equal right to men. That is called feminism.
Yeah, this is right. Second one is right. And first one also, I think that it's right, means the girls not getting enough chances, and some government provide some reservation, set by percent. I think means
Am I
to
right,
do some
Sam?
good. Yeah, I think it's
Yes, sir.
Am I right? What I spoke?
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Very
you are
much,
right.
but,
Yeah.
Sam will verify me. Sam, is that what you said,
yes,
Alex?
yes, sir, very much. Yeah, I agree with that. So there is a difference between feminism and women empowerment.
Okay,
That's right.
go ahead.
That's
Go
right,
ahead.
yeah. But I like we also said that somebody is misinterpreting the feminism. That is one reason. A small group of people, they are exploiting this women empowerment or feminism, and some especially like you said, some feminists, they are always angry
Yes.
and very arrogant. There
Yes.
is a small group of people. They are exploiting. Actually, they are against the feminism. What they are doing, they are sabotage the feminism. Feminism has a good intention, and they are exploiting those advantages, and they are trying to doing some their own motives. They do some they're trying to doing their own things. That is not feminism, but they are using the feminism as a shield to hide their bad things or their misconduct. Yeah, so we are familiar with a lot of these kind of feminists, and some people confused with these people. Everyone thinking that feminism is this kind of stupid female. What actually they are doing, they are cutting the root of the feminism.
Okay.
And they are eating the fruit of that feminism. Yeah.
Wow. That's
So
good.
true, sir. I agree with.
All right. Now I have question. Actually, who's gonna answer me? Who has started this feminism, and why it is these days in very trend? Why it wasn't earlier
In our country,
in our country? Yeah, I'm talking about in my country, in our
Savitribai
country.
Phule in Pune. Savitribai Phule.
Who has started this?
Savitribai Phule from Pune,
Yes,
Maharashtra.
yes. It was he opened the first school in India, 1848.
Correct. Only girls school
Yes,
for
yes.
girls only.
So did she support feminism or women
Yeah.
empowerment? I'm still confused, guys.
Actually, no. She support feminism.
But you can
Can you tell me what was the date of
women empowerment?
it is
And it was
women
empowerment is
Specialization given to women. That's the main theme of this women empowerment.
Raghav sir,
Yes.
I just want to know what was the date of Savitribai Phule's schools? Which she have? Yes, I just want to know.
I think
he
maybe
founded
When she
first
actualized,
school,
yes. What was the date?
1848.
1648.
1600.
No, 1848.
1800. Well, not sure
Yes.
about this, but anyways, if you're telling me, we're gonna consider this. In India, it has started by Savitribai Phule in 1848, right?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So why it is, it is in trend these days? These days.
Okay,
Alex, any idea? Sam, you're speaking more about things. Tell me why it is very trendy in these days. Utkal?
Because
Yes,
we
sir,
are
listening to
socializing with other countries and trying to copy their culture.
Sir, actually, I don't know the exact point, like why it is trending today. Because most of the women and the young girls using the feminism word, because of the feminism, they are able to speak.
Okay, because of our constitution doesn't allow them to speak, right?
Right.
The feminism come in
okay,
1800,
Raghav
then
sir.
we started allowing.
Raghav sir,
Yes.
Our
there
constitution
is one
provides
thing which is
equal right
coming
to
in my
speak.
mind.
Okay. Wait.
Yes.
Listen, Saurav. Yes, Saurav.
Vivekanand, I think everyone know about the Vivekanand. Vivekanand has had already worked to support the women. Yes, he
Okay.
was also a feminist.
Oh no, that was the question is inappropriate.
Hello. I'm unable to listen anyone. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm unable to listen anyone.
Hello.
Hello. I'm not listening anyone. Hello. Hello.
Utkal, huh?
Hello.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. So the question is, okay, no problem. Utkal has disconnected the call.
Okay.
So the question comes. Actually, the question comes how this thing is trending these days.
Actually,
I think,
Raghav, you know, we listen many news, many women and surviving like sexual harassment and some marital issues. Many things, you know, still going on our country, okay, and not our country, everywhere, okay. So because of this, you know, the feminism is trending.
Not satisfied with your answer, man. Okay. Can Sam tell me or Alex tell me?
Yes, sir, I can. Sir, may I?
After Alex. Alex?
Okay. Yes. Why this the feminism is trending out? Because now we get civilized. We have common sense. Our illiteracy rate is reduced. That is why we have started to thinking that way.
I'm not good.
Is that the question, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why feminism is trending right now? That was the question, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the question. Okay, I think that because now we are going to become more civilized and more modern concepts came from some Scandinavian countries and some other Western countries.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to change. We don't have any other option, so we started to change. That is what happening right now.
Okay.
Actually, it's not any, actually what should we say from my perspective. It's also because of the globalization and internet social life. It has also encouraged the women to know that they should also demand for this for their rights and all, and they have been using it as an they are voting also. Some group of women are voting this feminism. I have seen that if a woman complains complains a lot against a woman for harassing in any other case, he will be he will be felt guilty, and in the society he will be also ashamed for that. It doesn't matter he has done or not. But if a woman says that he has done, then everyone believes in her, and the person will be ashamed feel ashamed in the society.
All right. So these are happening in your mind.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. No problem. So far we understood today what is the difference between feminism and women empowerment. Apart from this, we also understand like one lady from Maharashtra, she started in 1840, I guess.
Yes. 1848.
1848.
48. Yes.
Okay, but I am disagree with that. Okay, why? Because why? Because the word feminism is from French, and the man has started in Britain. The first
Yeah, the but yeah, you are right. But
feminism word is from Britain. If it had started in, from Jyotibai Phule, it had to had an Indian name. Are you agree? It's a
yeah, the
common
but
sense. It's a common sense, right? Such as like
In
Nari
India, we are
Shashatigar and
talking about
something
who
else.
started it.
yeah, the
So,
but
sir,
not from
in
India.
we
It's
start talking.
Hello, who's there?
Yeah, you asked that who in India started this moment.
Yes. And again, why I said I am disagree with, because in 1862, that started by a Frenchman in Britain.
Okay, so maybe
And how she
they
can?
were.
Okay, one more thing. I have a question. Were we allowed to open a school for women, as we were ruled by 1947 by Britishers? Were we allowed to open it?
Yes, sir. Actually, Britishers also.
Britishers were also in favor of feminism, I think so.
Okay,
Because
so
it has been
no, I
invited
I
from
don't know
the
much more,
British.
right? So I need to know whether we were allowed to open. We had a separate girls' schools or something earlier in 1860 or some around.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, it can be because.
Yes, this is a common fact.
Can be or was.
Sir, at this point, I don't know about this.
Well,
so
because
will
I
not
have a big
go
doubt,
into that.
gentlemen. On the moment we were ruled by Britishers, all right? We were ruled by Britishers. So were they allowing in women to go over there to read it?
Yes, sir, it is very important because the Britishers abolished sati system and they introduced Christian missionaries where women and men both can, boys and girls both can study. So I think that they will allow, they had been they can allow for the school of girls.
No, the
Yes, yes.
Prashant said, okay, my question is Prashant said, Alex, are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay, the Utkal, are you there? No, Utkal is not there. He has sent a call. Okay, my question is, as per Prashant's words, Prashant said in 1860, the woman started a college, and
1848.
1848, the woman started a one school, and she
Jyotirao
initiated, yes, and she is initiated feminism. I don't know whether, because in 1868 that feminism word came into dictionary by a French person.
Your question was who was the first feminist? So
Okay, so she claimed
yes,
herself,
that's why
I am a feminist,
I think, yes,
or what?
I think so. Yes, yes, I think so. Jyotirao Phule would be the first feminist in India, but not in the world.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, may I speak, sir? So I do have a point.
Okay, go ahead, Sam.
Yes, sir. Sir, it can be also that the word feminist came to dictionary later, but the thing of that the meaning of feminism was following before that. And
Yes.
it speaks.
Absolutely right. This is the thing that you guys are not looking at. Yes. Go with logical debate, man. Prashant. Shankar.
yes.
Man, you could have spoken, right? Like the word, it is
Actually,
all about the word.
Actually, I am getting Raga, I got you properly, but I not mean I am unable to get another person properly. The voice is not coming properly. Okay.
Okay,
I
we
don't know
need
why.
to
Yeah.
rectify the problem of voice. When I add more than 4 people on the conference call, I every time get this problem.
Yeah, actually, I think 30 minutes completed. I am getting other person properly, voice.
Anyways, no problem, huh? So now the thing has been cleared by very beautifully. Sam has cleared that the initiation of this thing, the supporting woman and feminism, might have started in past, but the word exactly came in dictionary by a French person later, after 20 years or 30 years. Right, such as zero, we started using zero in our era earlier, and they might be using zero earlier or not. Oh, this is wrong example, by the
Yeah,
way.
it's possible.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's possible because.
So we just
it was a
introduced
very
zero here.
yeah.
We just introduced zero, which does not mean that they were not having. So for more example, that I eat apple, right?
Yes, sir.
They might be eating apple as well, but because of I'm globally strong, so I am giving a name that red fruit is called apple, which does not mean that
Yes, sir, that's possible
Jyotiba
because-
Phule had not eaten the apple earlier, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right
Yeah.
example?
Sir, I do.
Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
sir. That's for example,
very- it
like
is so
Vasco da
suitable
Gama
example.
discovered India. Yes, sir. Vasco da Gama discovered India in 1148.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But before that, India also India was there.
Mm-hmm. So means discovery. So there is a difference between discovery and invention. This is what happened.
Yeah,
She discovered earlier, but she
yeah,
couldn't named it, and now that credit has been taken by somebody else, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
yes, sir.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Anyways, so we got that right, and I'm really sorry that the conversation got interrupted. I don't know whether I will be able to post this thing on internet or not. Anyways, guys, do let me know your your photos so that I can paste it over there. Okay.